Let me tell you something very crazy. Two people will use the same Android phone this year. One will do the hard work and struggle, and the other will look like a genius. The difference is not talent, it's just these AI apps. And if you skip this video, you will stay in the first group. These 10 AI apps will change your Android phone forever. These apps can make your work faster and sharper. First is Notebook LM by Google. This is the best AI app for students and deep learning. I genuinely envy this generation because this is like a super teacher living inside your phone. What you can do here, you can upload PDFs, books, notes or research papers and then ask questions in simple English. It highlights important points, makes summaries, create quizzes and even predict exam type question. App 2 is Manas AI. Most AI apps only talk. Manas works. You will give one task and it breaks it into steps and execute like a human assistant. It does planning, research, writing, outlining, analyze images and build simple ideas. You just try to give clear instructions to Manas. Now, do you need a private second brain? Install MyMind on your phone, especially if you are a creator, writer, student or an overthinker like me. It saves everything you don't want to forget, like screenshots, links, ideas, reels, tweets. No folders, no tagging stress. It uses AI to organize your thoughts automatically, and the best part is that it's entirely private. Now, if you want news but hate long articles, Volve can be a perfect addition. It gives you 9-second AI summaries. You can choose topics like tech, AI and business, and it keeps you updated without wasting time. Next is the free and powerful Meta AI. Meta AI is already inside your WhatsApp and Instagram, but the standalone apps is stronger. You can chat, generate images and get smart replies. I use it a lot for quick image generation and quick answers. For example, upload your photo and say, make a clean LinkedIn profile image, and it actually does a decent job. App 6 is Claude by Anthropic. Claude is the smartest assistant for clear thinking. You just upload PDFs, ask questions, explain charts, summarize anything. Now it is the time to reveal one of the most unique and one of my favorite apps. An AI app that works even without the internet. Google AI Edge Gallery. If you want privacy or on-device power, this app is crazy. You can run small AI model directly on your phone. No cloud, no uploads, just local processing. It is perfect for students learning to build, coders prototyping ideas or anyone who wants offline AI. So explore, experience and start with the sample models. Next we have the OG in the AI business. Yes, I am talking about ChatGPT, and trust me when I say this, it is still one of the best if you use it properly. ChatGPT on Android is perfect for scripting, brainstorming, emails, Instagram captions and anything. You can also use voice inputs and images. App 9 is Otter.ai. If you are looking to turn your speech into clean notes, then Otter is here. Otter transcribes your meetings, lectures, interviews, voice memos and everything. It can also give useful summaries. You will never have to take team meeting notes again. Number 10. We have another popular platform, Perplexity. It is one of the fastest growing AI search engines. Perplexity is basically Google search plus a very smart assistant. It shows sources, links, updated facts and deep answers, which is perfect for research and quick clarity. Now before concluding this video, I want to give a quick special mention to Google Gemini. If you want fast answers, writing help and smart suggestions directly connected to Google's ecosystem, Gemini is solid for you. Now tell me in the comment section which app you are trying first, and don't forget to subscribe our channel because the next video will blow your mind even more. Till then, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video.